are new here, my name is Janae. I run a blog called Highlowluxxe, and I focus on luxury beauty, fashion, and travel. And today we are doing my apartment tour. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick look around, and then we'll focus most of the time on the living room and dining room, which I recently redecorated. And of course, I'll list all of the links if I can find them below, and we'll just go through all of my decision making, why I chose what I chose, and where it is from. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is what you see when you walk in. This is the kitchen, and I'll kind of walk you guys through where everything is from, mostly from HomeGoods. So this flower arrangement is from HomeGoods, picture frames as well. That is when Josh proposed to me in St. Louis. We have our Nespresso. This little pot is from World Trade Market, and then everything else you see in here is from HomeGoods. So moving into the dining room, we have our table, which is from IKEA, and we just wallpapered like the top to make it look marble. And then the chairs are from HomeGoods, and the picture as well. This vase is from Vera Wang, and then the flowers are courtesy of Trader Joe's. Then over here, we got this really cute table from Amazon, and then everything else you see is from HomeGoods. I got like 3 HomeGoods in my area, so I'm always finding the goods. All right, moving into the living room. Okay guys, walking into the living room, we have our sofa, which is from Value City. It comes in several colors, and it is the most comfortable thing in the entire world. And then right above it, we have some pictures from Decor, and then the frames are actually from IKEA. And I am obsessed. This part of the video is actually sponsored by Decor, so I'll have a coupon code in the description. You can get 25% off using Highlowluxxe, but it just, like, the colors are just so perfect. Let me come up close. Oh, hey, you can see me. But look, they're like blue, white, and gold. And then these are zodiac signs. So that one is mine, Sagittarius, and then that one is Josh's, and it's a Cancer. And I feel like it just makes the sofa pop even more, so slightly obsessed. But again, all the details will be below. And then our little plant is from Home Depot, and I think it was only like 15 bucks. And the planter is from, yep, you guessed it, HomeGoods. Then our table here is also from Value City, and this was on clearance, so I always check their clearance section too. It was only like 200 bucks. And then the rug underneath was also from HomeGoods, and it was only $59, I think. And then right in front, you can see we have more pictures on the wall. The frames are from IKEA, and then I just kind of blew up a few pictures of us, so it's just kind of like a little collage of us. And our TV stand has a little fireplace in the middle there, and that is also from Value City. I've had that for probably like 4 or 5 years. And then everything else you see here is from HomeGoods. I'll come in front and give you guys a better view. This is what it looks like from this side, and then those are the pictures. We need to update them. They're kind of old, but cute nonetheless. Okay. And then I have just magazines stacked. I have magazines stacked underneath this table, which I really like. And I actually got these tables, which are really cool, also from HomeGoods. I bought 2 of them, and I think it adds some flair to the living room. And then I just stacked my magazines underneath because I just think it's really adorable and a fun way to kind of display them. Hey guys, I wanted to quickly insert a clip of how the Decor pictures come so you can see how easy it is to kind of install them and decorate your space. So yeah, I had a lot of questions on Instagram, so I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like when I first got them and how I kind of placed them on my wall. Guys, that is the living room and dining room. I wanted to show you that in depth since that's what I recently updated. I mean, I'll put in clips of what it looked like before. I'm gonna quickly show you what our bedroom looks like. We are still working on it, but I'll show you anyway. And I'll also show you what my closet looks like. So let me know in the comments below if you want an in-depth tour of either one of those rooms. I'd be happy to do that. But for now, we'll take a quick look. So this is our bedroom. It's pretty simple. There's a bed. Our bed is also from Value City. The lamps are from HomeGoods, and these pictures are also from HomeGoods. They're pretty old though. And then we just have a little painting over there. And yeah, and then the pillows are just all random. I just kind of went with a neutral theme. So those are pretty simple, but again, I'm still working on like something to go over here. And then we just have a TV and our nightstand and a little plant. And the nightstand is also from Valley City, as well as, sorry, the chest, and then also the nightstands are from Valley City. But our bedroom is super simple. Again, it's still a work in progress, so I'll keep you guys updated on where we go with this. Guys, next up is my closet. So yeah, this is where I keep all of my things, shoes, all my hanging things, my handbags, and I have my little goals board over there. I have to fill it out for July. This is my rack where I prep my outfits. And then over here, oh, hello. Over here is just my desk and where I get all my work done. And then these are the other pictures I was talking about that are from Decennial. I've had those for a while. I've loved those their prints forever. So super excited to be working with them. And here we go. Here's my OOTD. Zara shirt. I think these are Target jeans and TJ Maxx slippers. All right, so that's, again, my closet. That is my apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, let me know if you have any questions or there's something I didn't answer. I'll make sure to leave all the links below. If you've stuck around this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Also follow me on Instagram, Highlowluxxe, and read my blog, highlowluxxe.com. As always, thanks for watching. See ya.